welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for a 5 Seconds of Summer concert. I'm also going to be vlogging at the concert. So it is 4 weeks before the concert and I'm going to kind of start slowly getting ready. So the first step is to get a haircut. I have my list pretty much almost done. There's just a few things that I need to do, like prep wise. So that's haircut is one of them. So I'm going to go quickly get a haircut, and then I think I'm just gonna do just like an inch trim. I don't know, I just want to do a trim and maybe do layers. I don't know, I'll show you. This is my hair currently. I might do layers. I don't know, but I will show before and after. So we just got back from getting the haircut, and I really like how it turned out. I just got just a nice trim, and they just trimmed my bangs a little bit as well. I think it looks so nice. Absolutely love it. So the prep is now done for the concert, and I just wanted to show you the things that I finished already that I'm so excited about. So, but I first wanted to talk about what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to lighten my hair, or just the roots, because my with the Sun In Hair Lightener. This has lemon scent in it. I really like this. So, like I said, I'm going to just touch up the roots. This is the before, and I'm going to show you the after. Okay, now I'm going to show you some of the bracelets that I made. I'm actually super excited on how, like, I really like how these turned out. So these are the bracelets. So we have the name bracelets. So I did all of their names for these bracelets, and then we have all of their 5 albums. And then I wanted to do kind of to match the stage, so I did like black and white beads, and then I picked one of their songs for the letters or the numbers. So I just did that song. I think they turned out really cool. I really like them. So it's so bright right now because I just sprayed in the Sun In spray, and I'm just kind of sitting out in the sun just for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to blow dry through. I didn't do an after for the lightener Sun In spray, so this is the after. I think it turned out really nice. Definitely my roots are a little bit lighter, but I do really like how my hair turned out. I think we can actually officially start getting ready for the concert. So I thought I would do my toes the day before the concert. So I'm going to take off my current nail polish. Before I took off the current nail polish, I soaked my feet. Then I'm going to use my Jafra Spa sugar scrub, just so that my ankles and feet and legs actually, so they can be very soft. Then I'm going to go in and rinse the scrub off and then dry my legs, and then I'm going to take my Bath & Body Works aromatherapy lotion. I absolutely love this lotion. It's one of my favorites. Then I'm going to start the nail prep. So I'm going to take my nail clipper to clip my nails. There were some toes that were a little bit long, so normally I don't do this step for my toes, but sometimes I like to. Then I'm going to go in with my nail file just to kind of rough up the surface of the nail so that the polish can really adhere to the nail. And then I'm going to take my Olive & June strengthener. I like to do this before I go in and do the top base coat and the color of choice. And then I'm going to use my base coat, and then we're going to do the color of choice. Now this is from Sally Hansen. This is the Miracle Gel polish. I don't remember the name, but it's a really nice pink shade. I absolutely love it. And then
I just started doing this. I let the first coat dry completely and then I go in with another coat. And I feel that really looks like professionally done nails. I absolutely love the way that it turned out. And then I'm going to use the Sally Hansen Miracle Gel Shine Brilliant top coat. This is a new one that I tried and I absolutely love it. It's my new favorite top coat. And then what I like to do, I'm going to take in some acetone and a nail art brush to kind of clean around the cuticle area, because there's sometimes I get a little bit of polish on the skin, and just to make it really.
Hi guys, so it is the day of the concert. I'm so excited. So I just did my regular morning routine, that's like doing my Bible study, working out, and eating some breakfast. So now I'm going to actually officially start getting ready. So I'm going to be taking a bath. I'll be right back after I do the bath.
So right after the bath, I'm going to blow dry my hair. I just like to roughly blow dry my hair because I am going to be doing my heatless curls. So I'm just going to blow dry my hair and also my bangs as well, because I'm going to use a Velcro hair roller for the bangs and then just do my normal heatless curls.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
It's time to do my skincare routine. So I'm going to do my facial routine. So that's pretty much, I've already have a video on how I like to do my facial routine. So I will put that video in the description. But it's just my normal routine. And then I did add one thing. I got like these eye patches from Lush.
Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind. Get on board. We're soaring on top of the world. Get on board. We're soaring.
press-on nails. These nails turned out so pretty. I absolutely love it. They match my dress. They're kind of like a blue French tip with an accent nail on my ring fingers. It's kind of like a really, really nice flower. I absolutely love them. So I think I have a video on how I like to do my press-on nails. I have to find it, but I don't know. I'll also have that linked down below. I completely forgot to do this when I was doing my skincare, but I'm also going to apply my pore strip on my nose, and then I'm going to pluck my eyebrows and start doing my makeup. I'm going to do like a really pink look, and then I'm going to add, I have 3 kind of flowers, well, 6 flowers on both eyes. Time to take out the hair. Now let's go to the concert.